Fragrance Amelia. Thanks for tuning in. With your host Frank C here. So today, like I said, we're gonna unbox this fragrance by CA. I've been sitting on this for a while now, so I don't even quite remember what's in this box. But what we're gonna do today is without further ado, open her up and see what we got. So let's see. As you see, already sealed up with the Canadian flag on there. Fragrance by CA, great place to buy fragrances. All of the your U.S. If you're in the U.S., your dollar definitely goes farther. They have a lot of rare deals that you don't see everywhere else. So, there's a little red box of happiness on there. That's good. So. Alright. All the packet peanuts in there. Milano. This is Milano Tango. I've been looking for this one for a while, and I found it on Fragrance by CA. Really great scent. Supposed to be like a like a boozy, smoky type of scent. It has notes from the back. Very nice presentation, Milano. This is my second Milano. I also have Teralba, which I want to be talking about that. I'll probably do a standalone on that here. But yeah, Milano, definitely quality stuff. Of course, the notes here in the back. It has head notes of bergamot, black pepper, cardamom, heart notes of sambac, jasmine, abs, damascene rose oil, probably Damascus rose oil, like Damascus rose, cumin, patchouli, base notes of vanilla bean, meliot abs, amber accord, leather accord, benzoin, and musks. So very nice. So let's open this one up and see what we got here. It's supposed to be like a smoky type scent. It has that benzoin in there. Should be nice. All right. Wow, very nice presentation. That's the bottle right there. Wow, I almost broke the bottle. Oh man, so there we go. Nice thick glass underneath. All right, same presentation, very nice heavy plastic cap. Let's give her a go. Very nice sprayer. Oh yeah, yep. Very nice, very nice. Yep. Pretty much what I expected. Quality's there. You can definitely smell the vanilla in there. Thought it was supposed to be like a rum accord in here. Yeah, I don't see that in there, but it does have a boozy appeal to it. Might be just a combination of notes. So very nice. For the house of Milano, this is Milano Tango. Alright, next up. I think I got 5 in here. So next up, all right, yeah, there's another one for the house of Jaguar. It's a Jaguar Oud. This one I've been looking for a while too. Also, it's supposed to be really good. I don't have any Jaguar in my collection right now. This will be my first interlude into my first foray into Jaguar. So let's open this one up. Nice basic box. I mean, and like, the thing about Fragrance by CA, you have to, in order to get the free shipping, which I don't like paying for shipping. So in order to get the free shipping, you gotta get 5 bottles. So that's what we have today. Let's open up Jaguar Oud. All right, nice bottle, like that, kind of reminiscent of Middle Eastern brands. All right, let's see. Pulls off. sprayer. Let's see. Sprayer is nice. Okay, yep. They're really kind of stocking up on fall and winter scents right in there now with this unboxing. Yep, for Jaguar scent. It's pretty nice. It's supposed to be oud. It's supposed to be like 3 notes. I don't really have a lot of info on this one, but it's supposed to be really simple notes. I think it's like oud, black pepper or something like that. But this is nice. This is nice. Yeah, I mean, it kind of smells similar to the Mas Milano. Well, this thing's a cheapie right now. I think it's like something like $25 on Fragrance by CA. So this is good. You don't have anything from Jaguar. Yeah, it's my first foray in Jaguar. It smells good. For House of Jaguar, Jaguar Oud for Men. I kind of did things backwards because there's Oud Touch, Oud Vanille from Frank Olivier, and this is Oud Touch. So this is the original. So I didn't kind of do things backwards here because this one came out first. So let's see what we got. Once again, it's kind of like a lot of filler. Kind of fill in the holes in my collection of stuff I've been looking for a while. So that's what this is, pretty much. I don't quite remember everything I have, so this is bottle number 3. So we got 2 more left to go. This is a bottle very similar to Oud Vanille. Oud Vanille is a purple bottle, looks just like this, but it's purple. So I love House of Frank Olivier. Really good stuff. Very nice fragrances at really good prices. It's a French house, Parisian house. All right, comes right out. This is very good. This is like, wow, it's like medicinal. It's really heavy. Once it dries down, yeah, look at the oil in that. That oil is something else, man. That is the oil slick. Really good stuff. Wow. This is much better than the Oud Vanille. The House of Frank Olivier Oud Touch. This is from the house of Pandora Scents. Pandora Scents, it's a Middle Eastern house. They're Paris Corner. They're affiliated with. This is my first Paris Corner. Yeah, of course, yeah, they're in Middle Eastern house made in UAE. Paris Corner, they have a lot of scents. Pandora Scents is affiliated with them. This is my first foray into this. It's another one I've been looking for a long time. Found a Fragrance by CA. So I pulled a trigger on it. Mega cheap. I think this one is like $28, something like that. It's supposed to be an interpretation of Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille, but with like some extra stuff added to it. So that Che Guevara there on the front of the box. So I don't know, you know. My younger days, you know, Che Guevara, but you know, Motorcycle Diaries, interesting read. Che Guevara, interesting figure. I don't know why, maybe because the whole, you know, tobacco, cigar thing, Che Guevara on the bottle. So, really nice bottle, interesting bottle, really good bottle. Might be a conversation piece. Yeah, I mean, I'm just lit up right now. I got the Mas Milano, Jaguar, Oud Vanille. I mean, yeah, Oud Vanille. Just lit up right now. This is like a crazy fall. This is more of a fall unboxing than anything. So let's give her a go. It's supposed to be Tobacco Vanille. Let's see. All right. Okay, decent sprayer. Oh, man. It's coming up already. Okay. Yep. I mean, I get the Tobacco Vanille. Definitely do. I have Tobacco Vanille, and then for the longest time I had the Al Haramain Tobacco, Oud Tobacco edition, which you know, served me well as a Tom Ford alternative. This one's good. Yeah, this one's good. This might be, because of the price, this might be more rotation. So very good stuff. For the House of Pandora, Paris Corner, this is Charuto, Tobacco Vanille. Next, Detour Noir. It's supposed to be their interpretation of PDM Leighton, or Who's the Money Leighton. It's part of the collection. Alright, so let's smell Leighton, exclusive. That kind of almond-y type deal. So let's see what we got here. Alright, very good. Alhambra Detour Noir. They got some buzz the last month or so. Let's see what we have here. Where do we have free to spray? Let's just try to get inside of my wrist here. Give a good spray. The Alhambra, the bottles, I mean, they don't have a set. That's kind of what irritates me a little bit about Alhambra. They have really good scents. You know, a lot of them. I like the house, but they don't really have like a regulated line of bottle designs. Just whatever, you know. Let's see. I don't get Leighton here. I don't know. Maybe give it a few minutes to dry down. Yeah, I don't get Leighton as of yet. It smells kind of sweet and citrusy, but I don't get Leighton, so we'll see what happens with this. Maybe once it kind of cools down, Leighton will pop out, but I don't get it as of yet, so I really can't make any notes on that one, make any comments on it. So, bringing up the rear for the house of Alhambra Detour Noir. Francis Million, thank you so much. That's all I have for you today. Until next time, take care.